Well, I think I might have actually got it back into a running and ripping condition. I was actually making a video to show what was going on with this carburetor, and after reassembling it on the video and sticking it back on the bike, it stopped leaking out of the float bowl, the vent tube. And now I've been ripping around all day today playing with the JD jetting kit to find out what I like, and there hasn't been one problem yet. It runs like it did when it was new. Well, almost like it did when it was new. I don't know what the hell is going on, but I guess that one reassembly actually, I don't know, cleaned out something on the needle seat or something, and it's been running right. Idling right at about 1700, 1750. It's not leaking. I've got a 38 Pilot, a JD blue needle on position, clip position number 2, and a 162 main, and I can rip right through all 6 gears without any issues anymore. I don't know what the hell's going on, but I'm okay with it. Taking some serious life off that Tusk Recon tire though. I've been peeling the hell out. The smoke went away. Gonna cross my fingers and hope that did the trick and I can ride my bike again. This thing fucking pulls hard now from the mid to the top. I gotta get out and get my helmet and all my gear on so I can go for a longer ride, go up into the mountains a little bit, see how it does at elevation, but so far so good. I'm pretty happy with it now.